Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you get only 60 limit of FPS in your games when you have a good hardware. And in this case I'm using the 4070 Ti, and I had a problem that my Hunt Showdown was locked in 60 FPS even though I have hardware that can support 144. And I fixed this by going to the Nvidia control panel. You can download Nvidia GeForce Experience from their website, and right here go for change resolution and make sure that your refresh rate is 144 Hz and or any higher if you like, or lower. Now click on apply, and from here your games should start running in this refresh rate. Also make sure that you set your games in this specific refresh rate and everything should be good. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.